Okay, so we're doing chapter 9, problem 107. So in the physics lab, a cube slides down a frictionless incline, as shown here, and elastically strikes another cube at the bottom that is 1/2 its mass. So that means NB is 1/2 of NA, as we have it labeled here. If the incline is 35 centimeters high and the table is 95 centimeters, where does each cube land? Both leave the incline moving horizontally. Okay, so we know that the speed of A immediately before the collision is given by mgh as the potential, all getting converted to kinetic energy, such that VA is square root of 2gh, and square root of 2 times 9.8 times 0.35 centimeters, and this is VA is 619 meters per second. So that's how fast A is moving right before it hits B. Now we know that this is going to be elastic, an elastic collision. So that means we know that for the second one being at rest, that VB prime is given by VA plus VA prime. Okay, we also know that MA VA equals MA VA prime plus MB VB prime, or MA VA prime plus MB VA plus VA prime by substituting that in. And now we can set the relation that MB is 1/2 MA, or the other way around. So that means we have 2 VA equals 2 VA prime plus VA plus VA prime. Or, oops, that was bad. VA prime equals VA over 3. And that is, as we found right here, 0.873 meters per second. Okay. So that's VA prime. So now VB prime from this equation we can easily find out as 3.492 meters per second. So each mass is moving horizontally initially and after the collision. So each has a vertical velocity of 0 as they start to fall. So we need to figure out how much time it takes them to fall. So using y equals 1/2 at squared, we see that t is equal to the square root of 2 of the height over g. Okay. So now if we got to figure out how far they travel in that time in the horizontal direction, the delta x is given by VA prime times t. So this is square root of 2gh over 3, square root of 2 big H over g, or 2/3 square root of little h big H. And this is, plugging those in, roughly 0.38 meters. And this was for A. We can do the same thing for B. See how far that travels. And that comes out to be 8/3 square root of h, since VB is 4 times VA prime. VB prime is 4 times VA prime, which is 0.38 times 4, and that is 1.5 meters. Cool. So the answer is 0.38 meters and 1.5 meters.